Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
This is Suka Enugu Expressway. As you can see, we are in a good slope. The depth of this place is about 7 feet. You can see it now. We are here since yesterday. You know, say our organ they believe person, you know they trust person. Unless you do like this, send that for them. Our own feel believe if it's Sam. He go no say true, but he go to tell you say what you they talking no understand that. Just look at why human being carry motor to pass. So now be this so. My caterpillar is supposed to pass this kind of place. But see now human being motor. Sir. Look at how many feet here? This is about 8 feet. This place reach 8 feet or 10 feet. 10 feet. 10 feet. No, at least make it not be like say I lie. You don't almost finish this tank out. Don't finish. Oh, now help us you. The sufferness way drivers the suffer. Today is 7 days. We are here. This is Enugu Suka Expressway. Huh? Our federal government here. Now we they kill ourselves so. That's the Siamo. This one a trailer we carry cement 9 days there so. The four then transload that 9 days they load so now. Siamo. See the depth of this place, don't chop one trailer complete. As you can see. Now trailer there inside pit like this so. Look at the depth of this road. This is the depth of this road. My truck there inside so. A cement there for ground like this so. Cement. Nigeria, we don't die. Our leaders now God just carry when I go put them on and enjoy ourselves. One day now when I go use and go hang on ourselves die. We don't go do any bad thing no. After when I rule finish, chop the money, enjoy ourselves. When I go use and hang on ourselves die. When I see suffer where they suffer. When I do budget, they carry the money put for pocket. Every year when I go do budget for each road, when I carry the money put for pocket. When I go chop the money, enjoy, enter motorway cost 150 million. But when I go use my hang on myself, die. Now, senators, they said they won't buy motor for them. One motor, 150 million. That 150 million will never fill this place. Look, just look at it, waiting people they suffer here. More on a sea road. This is road. This is Federal Road. Enugu Suka Expressway. Our Nigerian leaders, if what you people are doing is good for God, it's good for us. But if it is not good for God, let God judge you people. You people will use your hand and kill yourself. We will not fight you people, but you people will use your hand and kill yourself. Immediately now, look when I see them. Just look at people. Okay. Well, okay. Senators, well, they won't buy motor 150 million for senators. Look at people here. Are we not the same human being? Are we not the same human being? But some people are special than others. Look at suffering. Look at road. Just look at people. Some are here 5 days. Some are here 7 days. Some are here 3 days. Look at the road. Our senators make a tell una go use una hand on herself. All of una will commit this crime finish. Later use una hand on herself. Any person will cry for una, that person go kill himself also. Any person will cry for any leader for this country, that person go use his hand kill himself because that person a witch. Any person will cry for any politician will die. That person lion supposed chop him because that person not human being. More than see him. Who go suffer this kind of suffer tomorrow? As I so I need to vote. I don't get voters card. I don't know how they take vote. I make that choice right from when I small. Up to today, I don't get voters card. I don't get anything. I need to vote. I need to go where they vote. Because you vote, you know vote, what thing they want to do, now they go do. Do you know that Eastern State Government, Eastern as East Day, they get their senators, get the House of Rep, get governors. But this money for this road, they enter their pocket.
Finally, here, because one of the problems when a bit like came up in Lagos. My brother, Ntajanya, a group being hala prosperous, a bit of name hands so so now, all the way mania that now, okay, roller, by Gamma, we're not telling our people to come home. We're telling our people to diversify. And you see, from my, I want to diversify, reach on, without telling him how to do it. It doesn't make sense. So what I have done now, I have now established what you call international market in all the states, in every state capital. That's international market. I got one. Already I am with 200 hectares of land now, Abia. That one is already. They have brought to me the drawings, some of the preliminary drawings, and then you see a developer is a champion, is lead. The Nohanese is actually the champion that is organizing it in the states. But the good thing I can tell you now, this developer will be financed by Platinum Bank. The bank has already offered the money to finance it. What we are going to achieve is that it's not just telling Igbo, please call home. No. I got this Igbo, look, I am with legislation. I am with this market. Now, come and be an obstacle. And him got already cheap. When I have freehold property, all the Korean has property. When we can pay one deposit, I will go to 1 million, 2 million, I have one deposit. Then, they have charge the property, over his own free property. They call how many years old are not to repair. Why did we have work there? When they will have over 2 years. But he don't want to call without providing for him. How will he call? So right now, from what I'm doing, you come now, you take out the shop, only in Lagos. Give you some bute no.
Yes.
And that will do two things. One, boost and service in Igbo. Number two, I get employment. You will tell me you get many employed. So you can imagine I get over 2,000 shops. Can you imagine maybe 2,000 shops about three people employed? You know, it's a lot of money.
It's a lot.
So, you know, because you see more in a brain. That brain is enable us to solve our problems. So that is what we are using now in Ohanese. We are going to do it. We are going to solve our problems. So we are doing that, and then we are also working. You know, money here in America, Bengara, almost ndị ọcha si na mgbe nna ha nwụrụ many centuries ago, nna ha hapụ will na message kọwara ụmụ ha si na ha ebe si buru ha gaa America na ọwụ n'ala Igbo. So ọkwa na ha ụmụ ha chọta ebe ndị Igbo nọ. So mgbe m ruru America, great people after that si na ha ndị Igbo. Unu anya people like McHenry, an internet billionaire, ọ si na ya onye Igbo. McHenry, onye nke ọzọkwa General Ward, one of the great generals in America. I think the only black man who has commanded the NATO. He's a very highly respected man in America, half the time public. Now, even him at the Hall African Museum that day near White House in Washington. It was fantastic. Then the Igbo were with the mango. It was great.
I think I watched it.
It was a very fantastic thing. You know, in America, well, not America, so Igbo now. Now they were all happy. Inside the channel how I signed it. Then I always when they met, I contacted the governors, women and around together. I contacted the governors and got permission from governor to appoint at least 2 of them, McHenry and General Watt, to organize a presidential advisory council, and they approved it. So both McHenry and General Watt are not only Igbo, but also they are part of presidential advisory council of Igbo. And I'm very proud of those things. They're very proud. I'm very happy. Ndị ọzọ kwa ebe na-enye ogene na ebe ndị ọzọ na-abịa na-akpọgharị ma ole mba ga-enye ya nke ya. Many of them na-ekwu that na amaghị mgbe ndị nke ahụ ha chọrọ ka ngwacha ya na a ga-ebe ara mme na ga-abịa ha sị na ha ga-abịa na Nigeria. They will come. They are very anxious.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.